Dear students, we are at the end of this course. In this course, we discussed mainly scalar, that means single variable delay differential equation. We considered only one constant delay equations. We analyzed such equations and presented applications also. In this last lecture, I will discuss some general models. First model is the same system which we discussed earlier, that is car system. Here we consider two different delays. It is called as incommensurate delay system. Okay, so this model we already have discussed. X dot of t equal to delta x of t minus tau minus epsilon x of t minus tau raised to 3. Here we consider two different delays. Okay, so model under consideration is this one. X dot of t equal to delta x of t minus tau 1 minus epsilon x of t minus tau 2 raised to 3. Analyzing such systems is not simple. There are certain results in the literature for 2 delay case. Here it is observed that for some values of delay, this model shows one scroll attractor, and for other values it shows two scroll attractor. So such systems can have interesting features. Let us discuss some other models. Next generalization is higher order delay differential system involving distributed delay. Okay, so mainly we concern with first order delay differential equation. Okay, so we can have higher order systems also. Further, we consider constant delays. Here, there is another thing that is distributed delay. Okay, system of 4 equations, and here you can see that a of t plus tau, and this integral is with respect to tau. Tau is from minus infinity to 0, means this delay is distributed over the interval minus infinity 0. Okay, so such models are called differential equations with distributed delay, and this is system describing HIV infection dynamics. It is discussed by Banks and others in the journal Mathematical Biosciences. Next type is time dependent delay. Okay, so when we consider x dot of t equal to f of x of t minus tau, then we take tau as a constant. In general, we may take tau equal to tau of t, means tau is function of time. So such equations are called time dependent delay differential equations. So this is here is one example: neuromuscular electrical simulations, that is NMES, is a treatment for various neuromuscular disorders. The NEMS control method is described by Downey and others. The model is like this. Here, R suffix tau means R of t minus tau of t. Tau is function of t. And derivative of tau is also included in this model. Okay. Such complex systems arise in real world applications. Another thing is state dependent delay. State dependent delay means the delay tau depend on state variable. Okay, so when we consider x equal to x of t and consider differential equation in uh, dependent variable x, then it is nothing but state variable. Okay, so here p is state variable, so dp by dt divided by p equal to capital D of b minus s of p of t minus tau of. This is a price adjustment model for commodity market with state dependent data. Okay, so this is proposed by Mackey. So this is in financial mathematics. Here P is market price, D and S are demand and supply functions for the commodity, and tau is total production delay. This tau depends on production P, that is state. So you'll find these equations and so many other equations if you read the literature. I hope that you enjoyed this course. You learned so many things in constant delay dynamics. Best wishes. Thank you.